Still a little tight moving out, but it's getting better. Pushing that trot. Oh, a little hoppy hop. That tightness came out. He's licking his lips pretty good there. That little buck wasn't very serious. Kind of wants to go to the left, you see. It's real important to get rid of that tightness going to the right now. See, a lot of people would say, oh, I can't do that, I'll go the other way. Well, he really needs to go to the right here, because that's when it's going to come out. He's got a super extended trot. Let's see if he can find the lope in here. Oh, he's going to take him down to a one-range stop. That's pretty good. And a little back up one step. We'll pick it up again in a minute.